Guys, do you know that we will have a final test next week?
Oh, really? I don't know about it, Has.
Yes, I know. The teacher said to us last week.
Oh really? I didn't know it because last week I didn't go to school because I was sick. And now I'm confused about the reason. Would you give me some advice?
I think you should study hard to pass the test.
Yes, Rizqa, you are true, but I have trouble with statistics.
I have trouble in English. I'm confused about tenses.
Me too, Linda. I really don't understand about tenses.
What would you advise about this?
Last test, I get 100 in English. Then you and Rizqa get 100 in statistics, right? Why don't we study together?
Wow, that's a good idea.
I think you should teach me and Friska about English. And then Friska and me will teach you about statistics. Then we studying together about basic of nutrition.
Okay, I agree with you, Linda. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Hi, Linda. Do you see Hazna in this morning?
Hi Friska. Looks like I haven't seen her this morning.
Where is she going? Isn't out? Today, we will carry out about the final exam. Final exam.
I don't know about it. I'm afraid of her.
Do you have any recommendation about it?
I suggest you to call or visit her.
You are right. Well, I will call her. Assalamualaikum. Halo Hazna. Why don't you go to school? Me and Linda worried about you.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello, Rizqa. I'm sorry, I'm getting sick today.
Get well soon, Hazna. Next week, we will have a final test.
Yes, Linda is true. Why do you often getting sick, Hazna?
I don't know well about it, but recently, my body feels tired easily. Do you have any suggestion for me?
How about if you go to see to the doctor to check your health now?
Then, you should protect your body with healthy diet and often exercising regularly.
Thank you for your advice, Linda, Rizqa.
You're welcome, Hazna. After school, we want to visit you.
Wow, okay. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. Bye. See you.
Bye.
See you.
I want to study abroad, and unfortunately, my TOEFL score did not meet the requirement and standard. Do you have any advice on what to do?
It's better for you to take an English course. The best one is at Pejajaran Street.
I've thought about that, but I'm not sure I can take that course. It's really far from my home.
How about taking an online course?
Wow, that sounds good. Please tell me what to do.
You should visit English site, then you enroll online course.
Sure, I'll try soon.
I suggest you to keep practicing and never get bored. Learning by doing is better than do nothing.
What you just told me was true too. I think it's a very brilliant idea. Thanks a lot, my friend.
Hi Hasna, what's your favorite food?
Well, I like eating burger as usual. It's so tasty.
Tasty is alright, but what about the health aspect?
I never fall sick, do I?
That's what you are saying now, but all the good you are eating is actually high calorie content.
That's right. Junk food gives bad effect for your body.
Then, what do you recommend to eat?
Maybe have a green salad or smoothies bowl. They are healthier.
Good advice. And I think you should stop making junk food for a habit has.
Well, let's see. I will try to change my food habit to be healthier. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Definition. Definition. Sickness. Sickness. Healthy. Healthy. Expert. Expert. Promote. Promote. Digest. Digest. Risk. Risk. Remove. Remove. Wear. Wear. Sport. Sport.